You say it's bad luck to have fallen for me. What can I do to make it good for you? Will you hold me out like an old winter cold? Try to be safe from the cold, but when it's my time to go the next storm, I'll call you beautiful if I call it all. Yeah, so you call me a dog, tell me I'm low, 'cause I slept on the floor. And out in the woods with the benches and the wolves, will you throw me out, 'cause I've been digging for gold. I came home with a head of cold, but that's my time to throw the next storm. I'll call you beautiful if I call it all. Yeah, when it's my time to call your bluff, I'll call you beautiful. Oh, leave it alone. Yeah, so you call me a dog. That's fair enough. It doesn't bother me, yes, long as you know the bad luck will follow you if you keep me on the leash and you drag me but when it's my time to throw the next storm, I'll call you beautiful if I call it all. And when it's my time to call your bluff, I'll call you beautiful. Oh, leave it alone. Yeah, so you call me